Virtual cards have completely changed the way people shop online, pay for subscriptions, and handle international transactions. Whether you're trying to protect your real card details, avoid unnecessary fees, or just make secure payments anywhere in the world, having a reliable virtual card is a must. The best part? You can get one for free. In this video, I'll show you the 6 best international virtual cards in 2025 and walk you through exactly how to get one step by step. Let's start with Slice. Slice is a simple yet powerful platform that lets you manage your money with a virtual card. Whether you're shopping online, paying for streaming services, or even splitting bills, Slice offers a smooth experience. To get started, just click on the Get Started button and scan the QR code to download the app. The app is available on both iOS and Android, and while it mainly works as a mobile app, some regions also allow PC access. One of its standout features is the ability to create a mini card for specific online purchases, giving you an extra layer of security. The interface is user-friendly, and transactions are processed quickly, making it a great option for anyone looking for a flexible and reliable virtual card. Next up is EcoPays. This platform has been in the game for over 20 years, making it one of the most trusted virtual banking services out there. EcoPays doesn't just offer a virtual card. It also provides a physical MasterCard, meaning you can use it both online and offline for withdrawals and payments. A huge benefit of EcoPays is its multi-currency support, allowing you to hold up to 8 different currencies across multiple cards. This makes it a great choice for travelers, freelancers, or anyone dealing with international clients. Getting started is easy. Just visit their website, sign up for an account, enter your basic details like your name, country, and income source, and within minutes, you'll have access to a secure, globally accepted virtual card. All right, moving on to our next platform, we have People, a super convenient digital payment solution that makes sending and receiving money effortless. Whether you're handling international payments or just sending money locally, People has got you covered. Now, what makes People stand out? First off, it's multi-currency, so you can hold and transact in different currencies, which is a game changer if you're dealing with international clients or businesses. Plus, it comes with an internationally accepted prepaid card, so you can shop online or make payments securely without exposing your bank details. Another cool thing is that People supports domestic transfers, something that a lot of other platforms like Payoneer don't offer. That means you can send money within your country instantly, which is a big plus. On top of that, it has country-specific payment options. So if your country has a popular local payment method, chances are you'll be able to integrate it with People for smooth transactions. Now, getting started is super easy. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, download the People app, and sign up. If you're using a MacBook, you can grab it from the Mac App Store as well. The registration process is simple. You just need to enter your name, email, phone number, home address, and sources of income, and boom, you're in. And here's another bonus. People offers a MasterCard virtual card, so you can make secure online payments without worrying about fraud or leaks. Whether it's online shopping, digital subscriptions, or business transactions, this virtual card makes everything hassle-free. So yeah, if you're looking for a secure, fast, and flexible way to handle your payments, People is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about AstroPay. AstroPay is another excellent option that works like a virtual bank, offering digital debit and credit cards. The best part? It's fast, secure, and completely free. AstroPay partners with various financial institutions, making it easy to link with other payment methods and top up your balance. Whether you need a virtual card for online shopping, gaming, or international purchases, AstroPay provides a seamless experience. Signing up is super simple. Just go to their website or download the AstroPay app. Enter your phone number and complete the quick registration process. It's available for both Android and iOS users, making it accessible to just about anyone. One of the biggest advantages of AstroPay is its Visa-affiliated virtual debit card. Unlike other platforms that offer only MasterCard options, AstroPay gives you a virtual Visa card, which means you can use it anywhere Visa is accepted. The card functions exactly like a physical debit card, but instead of carrying it around, you can manage it directly from your phone. AstroPay also integrates with Google Pay. So if you prefer contactless payments, you can use your virtual card just like you would with a physical one. Another great feature is that there are no hidden fees, no commissions, no maintenance costs, and no extra charges. Transactions are instant, secure, and hassle-free. Whether you're using it for everyday spending or international transfers, AstroPay offers a reliable, cost-effective solution. It's perfect for people who want the convenience of a virtual card without the extra costs or complications. Now moving on to our next platform, we have Barter. If you're specifically looking for a borderless virtual dollar card, Barter is one of the best options available. This platform is ideal for anyone who wants to hold and spend money in US dollars without worrying about currency fluctuations. Whether you're making international purchases, subscribing to digital services, or running an online business, Barter allows you to manage your funds seamlessly in USD. Getting started is simple. Barter is available for download on both Google Play and the Apple App Store, and you can even use it on a laptop or PC. One of the standout features is real-time currency exchange rates, ensuring that you're always getting the best conversion rates when funding your account. Plus, security is a top priority, so your transactions and personal details are fully protected. However, it's important to note that Barter is specifically designed for holding when spending in dollars. If you need a multi-currency solution, other platforms might be a better fit. But if your goal is to have a dedicated dollar account for online payments, Barter is definitely the way to go. Now moving on to our last virtual card provider, Skrill. Skrill is one of the most widely recognized platforms for digital payments and virtual cards. What makes Skrill stand out is that it allows you to create a free virtual Visa debit card, making it easy to pay securely online. One of the best things about Skrill is its low maintenance costs. Unlike some providers that charge monthly fees, Skrill offers cost-effective solutions while still providing premium security. On top of that, Skrill has a loyalty program. The more you use the platform, the more rewards and benefits you can unlock, which is great if you frequently make online payments. Signing up is quick and straightforward. Just head over to the Skrill website, click on Register in the top right corner, and enter your name, email, and a few other basic details. Within minutes, you'll have access to your Skrill account and be able to generate a virtual Visa card. Skrill is used by millions of people worldwide, so chances are many of your clients or customers already use it, making Skrill-to-Skrill payments even more convenient. And that wraps up our list of the best virtual card providers. Hopefully, this guide helped you find the right platform for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.